This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Kathi Melton. Cash buyers, our spacious split-bedroom design has many updates and is a move-in ready home. Numerous handicap accessible enhancements include entrance ramp and a new step and shower encircled with grab bars for that extra peace of mind. Bright and open master with bay window for great views of the changing seasons. Both bedrooms have beautiful hardwood floors. New flooring in kitchen area. Heat and air is 6 years old. Perfect layout for year-round living, a weekender, or live-in help. $185/m-lot rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathi Melton at 501-525-1466.